It's a beautiful example of this rocky outcrop plant community. You can see how many plants are there. Mainly two species. One is this utricularia, that one. Oh, beautiful it is. That's the utricularia, and then this one is one Eriocolon Uripeplon or something it's called, that one. And then you can see the water depth. It's about some quarter centimeter. So these boggy plants like utricularia and all, they can occur very nicely in this much space, and that little leaves what you see, that's the utricularia leaves. And as the season progresses, the new others also will emerge, and in this little water some microorganisms are there which are trapped by this utricularia, and that's why it doesn't have much leaves and all. It's a very beautiful species, no doubt. Absolutely marvelous thing. And these all actually they can be grown by advanced gardeners who have taken up this bog plants, because this is a type of a boggy situation where some little flow is there. Whenever the rain comes, you will see some little flow like that, some 1 millimeter of flow. And then if there is a couple of days of sunlight, then this will evaporate. Some more small rains come, once again it will fill up like that. And then one more species of Eriocolon is there, this one. This is one, smaller one, and then this is a more lush species, another one, and then this utricularia.